Hey everyone, and welcome to Crypto Gems. Today we'll be talking about Radioshack, and I don't know if you guys have heard, but their token is going absolutely insane right now. It's increased 100% in the last 2 weeks. In this video, I'll be showing you this amazing opportunity that you can get in on and how exactly it works. Before I get started though, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is just for information, education purposes only. Now let's dive into it. So Radioshack, for those of you who don't know, started off as a retail brand in the 90s. It's a 100-year-old brand embedded in the global consciousness and was a leader in the nascent tech world for over a century. Currently, Radioshack is actually owned by Tai Lopez, the entrepreneur, who is quite popular nowadays for his marketing and e-commerce. They do sell B2C right now, business to straight to consumer. So as you can see, there's a ton of products that they have on sale, and it's quite well known actually. But today we're actually here to talk about their new swap as well as their cryptocurrency token. So here is how the Radioshack swap currently looks like. And look at the layout. It's very simple, very minimalistic. I really like the design of it. You just click here to connect your wallet and you see your balance up here, as well as the currencies you would like to swap. So say USDC and any of these that you want to pick of these tokens. You'll probably have some more variety and selection down the road, and you just swap it right here. Very simple, very easy to use, and a great overall layout. So their whole mission to actually jump into having their own swap and cryptocurrency token is to bridge the gap in mainstream usage of DeFi. They're really trying to provide fair tokenomics for early participants and keep swap fees low. So it is on the Polygon blockchain, so that does entail lower gas fees, which is great, but it's also on the Avalanche and Ethereum mainnet. Now we know liquidity structures in other swaps are quite complicated and not that smooth, but Radioshack actually has quite some efficient swaps due to their structured liquidity pools. Radioshack swap gas fees are actually paid in a couple different tokens. They're paid in Radioshack, Build, and Dream tokens. Their fees are set to 0.1%, which is quite low. And not to mention that staking their radio token actually earns you daily rewards, which is great. Now to actually buy their radio token, it's quite simple. You just go on here and connect your wallet. And once your wallet is connected, you'll be able to select a token that you want to swap it for. So say it's Ethereum right here, and then you just select radio, which is already selected right here, and you want to put how much Ethereum you want to swap or whatever token you want to swap for the radio token, and it should be swapped, and you click that button right after. Now I'm sure many of you have noticed this little message that they have at the top right here. So one lucky staker of Radio or Shack tokens will get a free car or $10,000 in crypto. So if you click over here on the learn more, it should take you to their Discord, which has a massive community of almost 30,000 members. So there's a lot going on in their Discord. The links will be down in the description below, so make sure to join in and check them out over there. But anyways, to their giveaway that they're doing right here, there's all the information on it, how to get into it. So basically one entry per 2,500 radio staked or 5,000 Shack that you stake. So get your hands on these two tokens and you'll have to start staking them, which is also available on the Radioshack swap website. By the way, there is no maximum number of staked entries. The second way to enter is actually to be more active in their Discord. So get to level 3 in this Discord by being active within the chats. So basically once you get to level 3, you'll basically get one entry into the giveaway. If you're already at level 3, the Shacker role is already assigned to you. This will give you one entry too. The third way to enter into their giveaway is to go onto their Radioshack website and enter your email into the newsletter box. The finalists will be picked out of the 3 categories of entry points that we just discussed. And if you're picked, you'll need to verify your identity within 24 hours, ready for the final draw. So this is a definitely quick and easy way to get in on a chance to win $10,000 in crypto or your own car. So it's great that they're doing giveaways like this. They also got a ton of different announcements and stuff that they do on their Discord, so make sure to join in. Like I said, description is going to be down below, and stay up to date with all their different giveaways and events, and keep up to date with the general chat too. Build into their community, join the community, really be active over here because there's a lot going on. Now taking a look at the Twitter side of things, they have a massive community over here of 176.2k followers. Massive community. They've been here for a while. They've joined in July 2009, and they're really trying to bring cryptocurrency to the mainstream. Our mission is to be the first protocol to bridge the gap in mainstream usage of DeFi, guys. This is their logo right here, and this is the actual Twitter page, and we'll look into some of the tweets, but take a look at the verification right here, they are verified on Twitter. So this is a legit corporation and a brand that's been here for quite some time now. So if we look around at their tweets, they're really keeping their whole community up to date and engaged on what's going on with their project and their company. As we see, Ty Lopez is right here. So like I mentioned earlier in the video, he is the owner of the company. But overall, their Twitter page is definitely a spot you want to be involved in and follow and really keep those notifications on and keep up to date with, because this is a great project overall. They have a lot in store within their swap and their token, their whole staking system, their different rewards and giveaways that they're doing. If you're interested in this project, make sure to keep up to date with them on Twitter. They do a lot of different engagement with their audience and their community members. For example, right here, they did a little announcement of their different giveaway that we just talked about. So it's cool to just see what this project is up to and staying up to date with them on the Twitter side of things. And that's pretty much what you need to know for getting into Radioshack. This is a great opportunity for getting in on a low-cost coin right now, which has a brand and company behind it that's been in the game for quite some time and is really backing it up. And not to mention their different giveaways and prizes that they're doing over there. Remember, all the websites we covered in this video will be in the link down below, so make sure to check them out over there. And thanks again for watching the video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like and leave a comment down below of any questions you might have had on this project. Subscribe to the Crypto Gems channel so we can keep on giving you some great content to help you out on your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.